I am so happy I got invited.
Congratulations.
I have a small circle of friends that I keep. And sabi ko, no, hindi. Marami akong kaibigan. Marami akong kaibigan online. So sabi ko, okay, let's do the naiiyak pa.
Hi, I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. That's the first time I said that. Okay, today is a very special day. A few days ago, si Miss Anna Kai nag-story siya. I'm so excited for this one. Nag-story siya na meron silang pa-event for her 10th year sa YouTube. Actually daw, sabi niya, 2025 last year, yung 10 years niya, pero she had no time, so matagal niya na daw. Ako talaga yung nag-i-introduce, ate naman. Anyway, nagpa-fill out si Miss Anna Kai and her team ng Google Forms. Tapos ang mechanics ay mag-upload ka lang ng oldest picture or oldest comment mo sa account niya. And then luckily, I do have a picture with her back in 2017. I was 19 years old back then. And I am so happy I got invited. Oh my gosh. Hindi pa rin ako nakaka-move on kasi merong 600 submissions according to Miss Anna and 80 yung kaya nilang i-accommodate and I am one of those 80 people. Wait lang, I'm so excited. Grabe yung adrenaline ko ngayon. Anyway, did I mention na I'm 27 years old na ngayon? Yeah, 8 years ago, I met Miss Anna for the first time and I am meeting her today ulit after 8 years. I'm so happy! Anyway, I will show you my outfit. Okay, this is my fit. It's just a simple collared na knitted top, a flowy cream na trouser, and also cream na slingback na pointed heels. And this is my bag for the day. And also my phone and yung camera. Yun lang yung dala ko. Naghihintay na lang ako ng driver. Hopefully hindi ako matraffic na malala. It's Friday today. It's January 30. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sahod pa. Okay, let us pray na makarating tayo ng matiwasay na hindi late sa event na ito. Yan lang po. See you!
Green papaya soap boosted with green papaya and
Orange Cafe, 5-in-1+1 coffee mix. Ang stores nationwide. Halagang pala.
Table number 8.
8. For activity po.
Maria Nicole.
activities later. Life alignment worksheet. This is sa career and personal growth, finances, health and wellness, tsaka relationships.
Hindi na naman yung mga cellphone. Nakaya pa ba? Vision board. Paano magawin yung vision board? So sabi ko parang okay, tapos 10 years na aking YouTube channel. I don't want to celebrate my YouTube channel na para bang influencer-centered. I want it to be about my community, the community that I've built. So today, we're gonna do our vision boards together. Sa mga clueless na katulad ko, we'll be having someone.
Bago pa kayo na sumuporta kay Miss Ana, there is someone who was there since the very beginning. Hulaan niyo kung sino.
Thank you sa pagpunta na lahat po. Tapos, ano bang question ulit? Message, congratulations, Ana Del. Tapos ano pa? Yun na naman. So, yun lang po. Thank you po sa pag-support nyo kay Ana Del at saka sana continuous yung pag-support nyo sa kanya. Kahit 10 years pa or 20 years more. Yun na lang po. Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat. Kung may mga questions po kayo, itanong nyo lang.
Sobrang heartfelt naman, no?
Nakakaiyak ko. Pwede mo
Grabe. Parang naalala ko yung mga bulaklak na may note card na wala nakasulat. Very jelly coded.
Yes po. Yung mga nasa kasi ipunan din po ni Ren. Ayan. Thank you so much. May ano ba po? Yes po. First year. So let's see the scoreboard. Is the college degree of Miss Ana. Ay, mali. Kasi yung sagot.
Para mo magpapatayin sila ng bahay nila.
Which does Miss Ana prefer? Tea or coffee? Yung sumagot ng Belay, hindi tayo pinalo sa newest shade. Okay, our last question. Our second placer.
Alam niyo na guys. Pero just to reiterate, yun nga, I am a fan of mga stationery, mga notebooks, pens. Hindi ko siguro lagi napapakita online, but I do have my own stash. Parang kahit yung mga iba nagdi-digital na lahat, I still keep yung pagsusulat talaga. Kasi feeling ko pag sinusulat ko siya, mas naaalala ko. Ako lang naman yun personally. Pero lately, dati yung unti-unti, kumbaga, dati pag may mga grocery list, inilista ko pa. Ngayon, yun I can go digital na. Kasi pagtingin ko sa cellphone ko, pag nasa grocery ka, mabilis lang. But, my schedule is still on paper. Iba pag schedule or gusto ko talaga written. So, as I was fixing my schedule the other night, syempre hindi ko muna matulog si Alexei. Kasi, mahirap gawa ng schedule ng nanay pag may kulit ng kulit, di ba? Sa true. So, as I was writing, sabi ko, hindi ko pala nasimulan yung January ko. Kasi nung January, nasa Europe pa talaga kami. And supposedly kasi, bakit mga December mo ginawa yung sister? Pero, nung hindi, ayan. So, as I was doing it, sabi ko, hirap, parang, ano gagamit kong picture? Sobrang daming picture. Pero ang kaya ko sa utak ko is i-categorize sila like, kunyari, family, travel, finances, mga ganyan. Pero ang hirap pa rin, kahit may categories, parang ang gusto ko, ang dami kong gustong gawin. So sabi ko, parang ang hirap niyang gawin because ang dami kong gustong gawin. Diba? You can only do so much at a time. So sabi ko, sige, hindi ko muna tatapusin ngayon. And then sabi ko, it's a good activity to do with your friends. And wala naman ako masyadong friends, to be honest, in real life. Konti lang, I have a small circle of friends that I keep. And sabi ko, no, hindi. Marami akong kaibigan. Marami akong kaibigan online. So sabi ko, okay, let's do the... Naiiyak pa. let's do the vision board together. So ayun, natatawa sa akin si Jerry. Gusto niyo ba yun? Pero sa party, diba? Habang ako nakakawala nag-aawat ng tissue, asawa ko So ayun, last year kasi supposedly I was gonna do an event for my 10th year on YouTube. Kasi physically, emotionally, I wasn't there. And I don't want this to feel too heavy on you guys. Siyempre nag-i-envision tayo, but I want you guys to feel lighter after this event. Pag gumagawa kasi ng vision board, what I felt last Sunday, parang ang dami kong gustong ilagay na hindi ko mailagay. Yun naman yung importante that you guys start. So ayan, thank you for coming today and I really, really appreciate it given the short notice. Sana, hopefully, let's make this a yearly event. Today kasi we only have, Kim, how many days? 4 days. So, 5 days lang namin prepare ito. But hopefully next year, let's make it a bigger year. And sabi ko, okay din hindi tayo matatapat sa mga Christmas parties. You guys enjoy your Christmas parties. And every January, let's start anew. Let's do our vision boards together every January. And it is my service to my community na din. Ayan. Thank you guys for attending today. And hopefully may matutunan kayo. Thank you, thank you.
All that ass, me and my sis, we're do it.
Thank you po.
Go here po muna sa loob. Sorry, gusto nyo matikman ba? Ay. Ma'am, hindi problema. Will share her knowledge, her experience about journaling, vision boarding po. So let us all please welcome Miss Zara. Ayan.
Hi, Sarah.
Friend as well. December pa lang, gumagawa na ng vision board para kung ano yung vision nyo guys, nagagawa nyo siya ng December. And then January, reality nyo na siya. Parang ganon. But, perfect timing lang na it's almost the end of the month. I'll just show some of the topics we're gonna talk about today. So, first is we're gonna set the intentions or basically the mood for today. All the materials are in front of you. May pen na ba lahat? Meron na. Okay. So,
Baka mamaya may kapareho pala tayo ng gustong mangyari for this 2026. So, take your time guys and we'll leave it here for your guide and then we'll come back after 10 minutes.
Hi, good evening. Ako si Marife. For personal growth and lifestyle. Ngayon kasi, nasa running era ako.
Preview lang, ayan. Ayan, trip for two to Asia. Yes po. Si Miss Ana po ang
Kung saan nila gusto, parang ito ang Asia na trip, anywhere, kunyari gusto nyo, Thailand.
Okay na, basta na lang. Ang customized diamond ring. Yan po ang mga papremyong hatid ng the local trip for two
Gano'n lang naman ako, di ba?
Opo.
Buti naman, di pa TikTok pa, no? Di pa tayo naglo-launch sa TikTok kasi.
Tama ba? Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sabi ko malapit sa kanya eh. Ikaw yung ate, ate.
Hello po. Thank you po. Nagkaka-start ko lang po. Opo. Medyo hindi pa po active sa TikTok. Opo. Colleen Rabonza po. Colleen? Opo. Rabonza. Za. Ayan po. Opo. Dog ko po. 9 years old na po yan siya. Dog ko po. Salamat po. Allah, salamat po.
Baka floor or anime. Uy, ang perfect nito. Ganda, no? Ito yung dalawang gusto ko. This is floor. Itong nasa una. Tapos, lagay ko na din yung iba. Wait. One.
Dito muna sa akin ako. Wait lang! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Photo ka naman po. Hi! Ayan, kita yung mga daliri.
Okay lang po. Nagbibideo po ako. Okay lang po.
Guys, ito yung video.
Thank you po. Pwede po pa hello din. Nagva-vlog po ako. Pwede din. Hello po. Thank you po. Salamat din po. I-invite namin yung raffle.
Salamat po. OMG. Ano po? Hala. Sakura. Thank you po. Excuse me po. Okay, I am home. Sobrang saya ng araw na to. Actually, nung na-receive ko yung invite, bukod sa syempre, excited ako makita si Miss Ana ulit. Excited din ako dun sa fact na mayroon akong socialization event. At today, marami akong naging nakilala, nakausap, na friends, na of course, subscribers din ni Miss Ana. At ang saya ng ganong event. For example, nung nakapila kami sa buffet, as in yung mga tanungan namin, kailan kayo nagsimulang mag-subscribe kay Miss Ana? First time niyo makita si Miss Ana? Yung mga ganon, basta yun, nakakatawa. Ang saya ma-expose sa tao. First time kong maka-attend ng Vision Soiree. Ang feeling ko kanina, para akong nasa yoga class na basta I feel like it's not something new sa akin, which made me enjoy it more. Also, i-share ko lang din sa vlog yung mga bagay na nakuha ko sa event. Unahin ko na itong bagong release nila na Dewy Lip Tint. Kaka-release lang nito today at 12 noon. And I got the shade 04 Anemone. Una kong nakuwang shade kasi ano siya parang surprise. Like, di ka makapili ng shade. Bubunot ka lang. Ayun, bubunot ka lang ng shade. At yung una kong shade na nakuha ay Sakura. It's on the pinker side. Ito ata yun. Mas okay sa skin tone ko yung, darker. Like, parang brick red. And this one is deep wine red, yung nakuha ko. Also, jelly tint to, pero nagli-leave pa rin siya ng stain. Ito, sinwatch ko lang kanina. Tapos pinunasan ko na, pero ayan, nag-iwan pa rin ng stain. Sakura yung nakuha ko kanina, pero merong isang participant na gusto niya naman yung pinks. Tapos ito yung nakuha niya. So, nag-exchange kami. Buti na lang nakuha ko to. Thank you po, Miss Anna. I now have a glossy tint. Okay, next na souvenir ay nagpiprint sila ng photos. Katulad sa mga event. This is my picture. And meron din silang ballpen na nagli-laser ng name. So, and lastly, itong notebook. Ang ganda nito. Mayroon na naman akong additional na notebook. Nakalagay ay Visions for a 2026 and my name. Nakapagpasign tayo kay Miss Anna and Boss G. So, those are the things that I got today. Also, inuwi ko yung name dun sa table. Okay, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.